cool and creative software. So in this particular video, we're going to look again at Testimonials.To. This is a ideal way of selling a service or bundling even a service to sell to whatever niche, market, vertical, industry, locality, any professional person in the world who is getting reviews or is getting testimonials left for them online obviously can benefit and wants to actually display those testimonials or reviews in the most prominent and prioritized places in their online branding as possible. So we've covered this before, but Testimonials.To allows you to do this in a really, really streamlined and a super effective way. So I want to show you a little hack, though, that I don't think most folks are aware of, that to me anyway, kind of makes Testimonials.To a better choice than some of the alternatives that are out there. All right, so let's really quickly, we're going to go to Google and let's search for best pizza in Cleveland. All right, haven't been to Cleveland in 15 years, so I have no idea. Right, so let's go to just a random site. Haven't done this search before. So here you have, Citizens Pie, Murata's, I think that's pronounced, a slice above, etc. So ordinarily, you couldn't use this testimonial, right, or this review, with your testimonial software because it needs to sync with, let's say, Instagram or Yelp or Google reviews or Facebook or YouTube, etc. So you're importing testimonials from those sorts of places. But what Testimonials.To allows you to do for any niche you can imagine is do this, right? So I'm just going to copy that text. I'm going to right click and then I'm going to save the text. All right. So all of a sudden, now we have this review from Thrillist, which we ordinarily wouldn't be able to access because it's not a site that ordinarily one would curate or collect reviews from, right? So essentially what we're doing is using this extension right here, which is a Chrome extension. We are able to copy any review or piece of content that lives on the web that we can use for our clients or ourselves, right? So let's call this user me, Ian. I'm not going to upload a picture, but I am going to add this to my wall of